Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in GTA 5 ScriptHookV critical error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error in GTA 5 easily. So this error occurs when your ScriptHookV is outdated, so just open up your web browser, open up a new tab, search for ScriptHookV, go on to this link from devc.com, click on download, and then download this file, open it up, go into bin, and here you need to extract all four of these files into your GTA's directory. If you want to play online, then don't extract this file, but if you want to play offline, extract this file as well. Now extract them into your GTA's directory. So here, click OK, and now you should be able to play GTA 5 and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that ScriptHookV critical error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.